If you're feeling that the typing on the keyboard of your iPhone is a bit slow, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just go to General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, just select Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Dictionary. After you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility section, you will find the option of Keyboard and Typing. Just tap on it, then tap on Slow Keys. Now, if this option is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. Then go back to the main settings page, then go back to General. And under the General settings, you will find the option of Keyboard. Just tap on it, then disable Predictive Text and Autocorrection. Just like that. After you disable both of these options, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix slow keyboard typing on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.